Good morning, students of class 10. In the period of mathematics, we are solving similarity exercise 1. Today we will discuss question number 16. This figure is given in which DEF are midpoints of BC, AC and AB respectively. Similarly, PQR are midpoints of EF, FD and ED. EF, FD and DE. Now we are asked to find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDF. First of all, we proved these two triangles are similar because in these two triangles ABC and BDF, we are seeing that DF is parallel to AC. Therefore, from basic proportionality theorem, we can say these two triangles are similar. Then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is AB by FB equal to BD by BC equal to AC by DF equal to 2 by 1. Now I wrote this area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDF equal to square of ratio of the corresponding sides. So AB by FB whole square, that is equal to 2 by 1 whole square equal to 4 by 1, that is 4. Now in question number B, we are asked area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC. So first I have written triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF because PQ is parallel to DE, PR is parallel to FD and QR is parallel to EF. So from basic proportionality theorem, we can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF. So I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, PQ by DE equal to PR by DF equal to QR by EF, that is equal to 1 by 2 because these are the midpoints. Similarly, we can show that triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC from basic proportionality theorem, and I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is DE by AB, DF by AC and EF by BC, that is also 1 by 2 because DEF are the midpoints. Now if we use PQ by AB, PR by AC and QR by BC, that will be equal to 1 by 4 and then area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC equal to PQ by AB whole square, that is equal to 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16. Question number 18, this figure is given in which AF equal to 2.1 centimeter and AD equal to 4.9 centimeter. EF is parallel to CD, these two lines are parallel, and these two GE is parallel to BC. We are asked to find area of triangle AGE by area of trapezium GBC. So for that, at first I proved these two triangles are similar, AGE and ABC, because GE is parallel to BC. So from basic proportionality theorem, then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is AG by AB equal to AE by AC equal to GE by BC. But we do not have this value. I considered equation number 1. Now again I proved these two triangles AEF and ACD. These two triangles are similar by the same rule. EF is parallel to CD, and I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is AF by AD equal to AE by AC equal to EF by CD, that is equal to 2.1 by 7 because AD is being AF plus FD. So 2.1 plus 4.9, that is equal to 7. This simplification became 3 by 10. Now I got the ratio of these two similar triangles. Ratio of areas, area of triangle AGE by area of triangle ABC equal to AE by AC whole square, that is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10 whole square, that is equal to 9 by 100. Then I came to the question, area of triangle AGE by area of trapezium GBC equal to area of triangle AGE by area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AG. If you subtract this, then we can get GBCE. So this value we have 9, ABC is 100 and this AGE is 9, so I subtracted this and I got 9 by 91. That is the answer. In question number 19, figure is given triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC and DF is parallel to BE. This ratio is given AE is to AC, that is 5:7. And we are asked to find area of triangle ADF by area of triangle ABE. So first of all, I proved these two triangles are similar because DF is parallel to BE. So from basic proportionality theorem, ADF is similar to ABE. Then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is AD by AB equal to DE by DF by BE and equal to AF by AE. And I considered equation number 1, but we do not have this value. So again I came to triangle ADE and triangle ABC to prove these two triangles are similar, and these two triangles are similar because DE is parallel to BC from basic proportionality theorem. Therefore I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is AE by AC equal to DE by BC equal to AD by AB. AE by AC we can find, AE is 5 and AC will be 5 plus 7, 12. So I wrote here 12. So what are we seeing? That AD by AB is here and AD by AB is here. So AD by AB became 5 by 12. So from equation 1 we can write now area of triangle ADF by area of triangle ABE equal to AD by AB whole square from 1. This value I kept 5 by 12 whole square, that is equal to 25 by 144. In question number B, area of triangle ADA by area of triangle ADE. For that I have drawn one perpendicular DG to AE. DG is perpendicular to AE. Area of triangle ADA by area of triangle ADE equal to half into base into height, half into AF into DG, and this also half into base into height, so half AE into DG. These two cancel, AF by AE. This ratio I have found during the solution of question number A, that was 5 by 12. AF by AE equal to 5 by 12.